See if you can tell your heart, I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful that you're mine. You're a gift. You're a gift to me, and you're a gift to everyone. I want to give you more. Often in life, the trauma we experience, the pain, the loss, the grief, has us disconnected from our heart. It's just too much to feel. What if we could restore the connection that we have with our heart and allow our love to flow freely again? My name is Megan, and I'm here to tune you to the powerful healing and transformation available when you work with the Morphic Field. In this video, you're going to deepen the relationship that you have with your heart. You're going to be able to hear the messages that your heart has to share with you. You're going to really see who your heart is, the love that you have, your kindness, how big your heart is. You're going to restore your heart to its actual size. Your heart's going to feel safe to lead you again. We're going to tune into the Morphic Field, which is how we access the energy and information of the universe. I'm going to lead you through a tabletop constellation, so you're going to want your post-it notes and a pen, or you can also follow along like this is a meditation. We're going to begin the constellation, so if you have your post-it notes and a pen, great. If you want to follow along like this is a meditation, that's great as well. Drawing the arrow up top, we're going to bring you in this present moment into the field. So we're writing me now. This is you in the present moment. Let's place you into the field. Let's place you in the center, facing forward. And when we place our hand on the representation for us in this present moment, we're going to channel the energy, information, resonance, frequency, vibration of you. So noticing what you're noticing, accessing this information through the field, becoming more aware of you in this present moment, your experience of you, your experience of life, allowing yourself to be more present, allowing the thoughts to be with you, how you feel in your body, how you feel, tuning into yourself even more. Now become aware of your heart. Okay, we're going to bring your heart into the field. So on another post-it, again drawing that arrow up top, write my heart. So we're bringing your heart into the field. Let's place your heart in front of you now. And we're going to place one hand on my heart and one hand on me now. So let's channel the energy information of your heart and you in the present moment, noticing what you're noticing, allowing the information to come. What happens for you when your heart comes in? What do you see? And then standing in the shoes of your heart, how does your heart feel? See if your heart has any messages for you right now. See if it wants to tell you how it feels. See what it's been trying to tell you. Deepening your relationship with your heart. If there are messages from your heart, speak those messages out loud. See if your heart can say, I am here for you. I am here to support you. Speak these words out loud. See if your heart can say, I see you. I like leading you. I am kind. I am loving. I feel. What is your heart saying? Some of you, your heart may be saying, I feel hurt. I feel pain. Give your heart a voice. Let your heart speak. See if your heart can say, I feel for you. I love you. I know you. You are beautiful. What does your heart want you to know right now? I'm with you. I'm always with you, through thick and thin. I can help you. Again, speaking these words of truth out loud, speaking these messages from your heart. As you speak these messages, as your heart speaks these messages, hear what your heart has to say. Receive those messages. See if your heart has to say something around, I wish you would listen to me more. I wish you would see me more. I wish you would honor me more. See what your heart needs. I wish you would take care of me more. Let me feel more. You're safe with me. I'd like to get to know you more. I'd like to be with you more. I'd like to help you out more. I like it when you feel fully. See how big your heart is. Standing in the shoes of me now, say out loud to your heart, be your full size. Be the size that you actually are. See how big your heart grows. See if your heart can get even bigger. Some of you may be feeling your heart the size of the universe, as the universe. What does that look like? How does that feel? Standing in the shoes of me now, see if there are some words to say to your heart. The words can be, you are huge. I see you. You are kind. You are generous. You are gentle. I know you. I feel you. I love you. I will take good care of you. You are mine. I want to give you to the world. I want to give you to the universe. You are mine to give. I love connecting with others through you. I love connecting to life, to the animals, to the plants, to my family, to my friends, through you. I love seeing life, seeing the world through your eyes, connected to you. I love being led by you. You're a great leader. See what words there are to say to your heart, deepening this relationship. And perhaps the words can be, you are a good friend, confidant, teacher. See if you can say to your heart, I trust you. I like it when I'm aligned with you. You're a divine guide for me. For some of you, the words also may be, I feel the pain that we've had together. And there's also space for the pain. Feeling this pain, I get to be human. I get to feel sorrow and grief and loss and heartache as a beautiful experience of being human. When I feel this pain, this sorrow, this loss, I get to feel my love even more. I get to feel my heart even more. My love deepens. My heart expands through this pain, through this loss, through this grief. And then I get to heal. I get to heal with you. And I get to know the love that I have for myself even more. The love I have for others even more. See if you can tell your heart, I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful that you're mine. I treasure you. I will always treasure you. You're a gift. You're a gift to me. And you're a gift to everyone. I want to give you more. I want to give you more to myself. I I want to give you more to others. I also know that I want to protect you and make sure that you're safe and well taken care of and loved, honored, respected. It's important that I honor you, that I acknowledge you, that I acknowledge how you feel, what you're going through, what you've learned, that I acknowledge who you are. You are my heart, and I see you. I hear you. I feel you. Deepening your relationship with your heart even more. When you are ready, let's integrate with your heart. And how we integrate, we're going to place my heart underneath me now, and placing your hand on me now and my heart. Let's feel this integration. So as you deepen the relationship with your heart, now feeling your heart within, even stronger, more awareness, more consciousness of your heart within, how your heart feels, feeling your heart, your experience of your heart, returning your heart home. Feel the love that you have for yourself, from your heart to your heart, within, all around. Feeling your heart growing even bigger to its actual size. Feeling the love, your love, emanating to yourself, through yourself, extending from yourself, all around. Now feel the love from the universe to you, from divine creation to you, from Great Spirit to you, from your spirit team to you, your ancestors, your family. And feel the love you have for the universe, for Great Spirit, the divine, your spirit team, your family, your ancestors. Feel this exchange of love from your heart to theirs, from theirs to yours. Now feel the universe as one big heart, as your heart. Feel yourself peaceful, aligned, relaxed, loving, loved, giving, receiving, centered, balanced, in harmony, clear. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate who you are, your heart. Okay, we're going to complete this constellation now. You can be in the space as long as you want, deepening your relationship with your heart, receiving messages, healing, clearing. These tabletop constellations that I film for YouTube are a snippet of the healing and transformation that we can access through the Morphic Field. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one or in a group setting, visit my website, themorphicfield.com. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please subscribe, stay connected to the field. And if you got something out of this video, please hit that like button.